So let's start with the main components, the CPU. And the CPU is AMD Ryzen 3 3200G with 4 cores unlocked with desktop, 4 cores unlocked desktop processor with includes advanced Radeon 8 graphics card. No expensive graphics card required, and it can deliver smooth high definition performance in the world's most popular games. And also, it has 4 processing cores bundled with the quiet AMD Red Stealth Color with 4.0 GHz max boost, unlock for overclocking, 6 MB cache, DDR2933 support for the advanced socket AMPo platform, base clock of 3.6 GHz. So that's it for the CPU. Let's proceed for the motherboard. The motherboard is GIGABYTE GE8320M S2H. It has support AMD and 7th generation A series and also Athlon processors. And also it has dual channel non-ACC unbuffered DDR4 with 2 DIMM slots with ultra fast PCIe Gen 3. M.2 with PCIe NVMe and SATA mode support with high quality audio capacitor and audio noise guard, and Realtek Gigabit LAN with crossfade Internet accelerator support. So that's it for the motherboard. So for the RAM or the memory is Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 DRAM 32 MHz C16 desktop memory kit. It compatible with Intel 100 series, Intel 200 series, Intel 300 series, Intel X299 and also AMD. Series and AMD 400 series, and for XMP 2.0 support for trouble-free automatic overclocking. So that's for the RAM. Okay, let's proceed on the M.2. This M.2 is 3D NAND SATA SD4 capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability as used for storage capacity 1 terabyte equivalent to 1 TB or 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment, and also sequential read speed up to 560 MBs and sequential write speed up to 530 MBs as used for transfer rate or interface. MB means megabyte per second. And the next part is the case or the chassis. And this case is Thermaltake Versa H18 tempered glass black is PCC, and this is micro ATX gaming computer case, and it has mesh front panel with built-in blue lid strip with compact micro ATX form factor. Designed with full-length PSU cover with ideal for IO solution up to 240 and 280 mm, and I/O port USB 3.0 by 1, USB 2.0 by 2, HD audio by 1, and this case also has two hidden 2.5 inches plus two hidden 3.5 inches drive base. So that's it for the case. And for the important parts in your PC build is the PSU or the power supply. The PSU you will use is this EVGA 500 GD 8 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads, and for heavy duty protection including OBF or over voltage protection, UBF or undervolt protection, UCP or current protection, OPP means overpower protection. And the ACP short circuit protection, or if you can find this same piece, you can choose another brand with 500 watts and it has 80 plus bronze or gold certified power. So that's for the power supply. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.